Vatar si rahang sif lev sif haksel sif kazo. We connect to the memory. Vatar si rahang sif lev sif haksel sif. So we connect to the legacy. Victor si rahang saf lev saf so saf. So we connect to the energy of those that were, those that are, and those that are to come. This tablet is erected by Christ Church Guild, Episcopal, Greenville, South Carolina, in memory of those connected with this church who served in the Confederate Army. The Confederate States of America, February 22nd, 1862. Deo Vindit, 1861 to 1865, for its fame on brightest pages, penned by poets and by sages, shall go sounding down the ages. W.S. Alston, J.W.L. Arthur, Reverend T.S. Arthur, T.S. Arthur Jr., Augustine Bacon, Edmund Bacon, Randolph Bacon, J.E. Beatty, W.M. Beatty, A. Blythe, John Bradshaw, Joseph W. Brunson, George Butler, Jason L. Butler, M.C. Butler, O. Nathan Butler, Thos O. L. Butler, W. M. Butler, T. P. Butler, Porter Burnham, Richard Burnham, J. W. Tagle, Reverend W. M. H. Campbell, Chase A. Carson, Joe McD. Carson, Right Reverend Edison Capers, J. Harvey Cleveland, Jesse F. Cleveland, J. Pep Cleveland, Jeremiah Cleveland, Stanley S. Crittenden, John L. Crittenden, Rudolphus D. Crittenden, Edward Croft, Randall Croft, Dr. Randall Croft, Theo G. Croft, Theo G. Croft Jr., T. G. Croft, Joe W. Croft, C. M. Crosskeys, Nathan H. Davis, Jess L. Dean, Frank Delph, W. I. Delph, Theo DeHaan, Chas W. De Oile, W. D. B. Doyle, John Earl, Thos T. Earl, W. M. E. Earl, Edmund Fripp, Geo Fripp, W. M. Fripp, Hamilton Gant, Jas Gilfillan, Wilson Glover, J. W. Gray, John Harris, P. T. Hayne, T. B. Hayne, J. B. Henry, A. D. Hoke, W. C. Humphreys, Wallace, Eeyore, Waring, Eeyore, D. P. Irving, D. H. Irving, Thos A. Irwin, W. M. Irwin, O. P. Jackson, A.H. Jenkins, E.P. Jones, Thos Jones, John M. Jones, Alex Macbeth, Chas Markley, H.C. Markley, James Markley, W. Arthur Markley, S.S. Marshall, Joe Marshall, John H. Marshall, Alexander McBee, Frank B. McBee, Vardry McBee, Reverend J.D. McClaw, Randall T. Pearson, Tyree Pearson, W.M.H. Perry, Thos S. Powell, W.M. Powell, T.B. Roberts, W.M. Scott, Edward F. Stokes, W.M. Butler Thompson, William Thompson, Waddy Thompson, Dr. Waddy Thompson, Robert T. Thruston, S.A. Towns, Henry Towns, V.O.E. Threstcott, W.P. Turpin, W.C. Watson, Jesse M. Westmoreland, Governor Morris Wilkins, William Wilkins, A. Campbell Williams, Jas T. Williams. And when I recorded the graves for the west side, well, I mean the east lots, I found a grave saying that somebody was killed in Gettysburg. And now people are going to make issues about this maybe, but these were people who felt like they were defending their homeland, their way of life, which prior to these years was American. And the North wasn't any better in that, so it wasn't about that either. Basically just competition between the rich, which I don't believe is a reason for war, but a lot of the people on both sides had noble intentions.